Okay guys, I asked this dude to make a street food tour in Lebanon in one day, and we did it in
90 minutes.
And what we ate? Tell me what we ate.
We started with 2 types of Lahme Ajin, then we did 3 types of pastries, Manaich, Kaak, and spinach pie. Then we had Knafeh and Ashta. Then we had a cocktail with avocado spread and Ashta ice cream. Then we went all the way, we had shawarma at Barbar. Then from Barbar we went and had raw liver, Sawda Nayyeh from Shaykha. Epic day. Beirut Street Food is the best.
And Jad is going to training just now.
Look at my belly. So guys, we're gonna have the most authentic Lahme Ajin in Beirut from Ashta since 1946. This is the normal Lebanese Lahme Ajin and this is the Armenian Lahme Ajin. Let's have a bite. So guys, we are in Faisal Bakery, one of the oldest bakeries in Beirut. It has been active for more than 40 years. And you're gonna be seeing Kaak, Manaich and Sbenir. Stay tuned. We have the traditional Kaak with 3 types of cheese, Akkewi, Halloum and Ash'awan, and we have the Za'atar and the Akkewi, and here you have the special spinach with har served with Labne and olives, and these fresh vegetables to top it off.
اهلا وسهلا فيك بفيصل. فيصل ذا بيست حبيب قلبي. ايوه.
So guys, this is Ashta, an authentic Lebanese dessert. One of my favorite by far.
With the cheese.
So guys, this is our traditional Knafeh. I'm having it at Taj Al Muluk, one of the oldest places in Lebanon. Let's have a small bite. So guys, we chose to have the cocktail with fresh fruits, and instead of having Ashta, we had ice cream Ashta. Oh my god.
Tell it again.
Ice cream Ashta.
What is Ashta?
Ashta is milk cream condensed and made into a fluffy shape. So now falafel is crushed chickpeas, not chickpeas, sorry, crushed fool, which is red kidney beans. They crush it down to become this beautiful fluffy piece of heaven. They add to it tarator and some vegetables. Shawarma, chicken shawarma from Barbar. Wow, 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 wow.
Why Barbar is famous in Beirut?
It's one of the oldest street food places. It is مطعم شعبي مثل ما بيقولوا in Lebanon, and simply because it tastes amazing. last part of today's journey is raw liver. It is an authentic sandwich called Sawda Nayyeh. You have the raw liver with some fat, and you add some onions and some mint to it. It tastes heaven. In the morning, raw liver in the morning will keep you healthy. It will enhance your blood circulation, and if you have like anemia or something, it will also give you the nutrients. Anyways, personally I don't eat this.